Hi, my name is Michael Antron and I'm the CEO of Carrot. I'm going to walk you through a short tutorial on how to set up your Carrot on your iPhone and join the DTE Wellness Program. Here's a few things you're going to need is your iPhone, your cell phone number, your work email at dte.com, and the Carrot Wellness app. So the first thing that we're going to do is download the Carrot app. So you're going to want to go to the Carrot or to the Apple App Store and type in Carrot Wellness. And once you go ahead and find Carrot Wellness, you tap on the link and you're going to see our icon right there, and you're going to go ahead and download the app. Once the app is finished downloading, just go ahead and tap on the icon to start the app and read the instructions on how Carrot works. Once you get through the onboarding, you're going to want to put your phone number to your iPhone here, and we'll text you your passcode. Once you type in that passcode, you'll be able to start up Carrot. And what Carrot does now is it calculates your steps goals based on your walking history. So my goal is 4469. And then you're going to want to go to the Wellness tab to join the DTE Wellness Program. So type in your DTE email here. Mine is michael.antron@dteenergy.com and tap the join button. Once you tap the join button, we're going to send you an email that will verify that you have an address at DTE so you can join your DTE Wellness Program. So once you go to your email application, we'll send you a confirmation link. What you'll have to do is tap on the confirmation green button confirmation link there, and we'll show you that that we verified that you own that email address by saying your email verification was successful. So once you go back to the Carrot application, just go ahead and restart it. You'll notice that you'll now see the DTE Wellness tab, and you just swipe over to that, and you'll be able to see the all-exclusive rewards just for DTE employees. So thank you for your time. I hope you're going to enjoy the Carrot app. Go take a look at our next video. If you have any questions on how Carrot works, please go to support@carrotwellness.com or give us a call at 66 Walking 4, and we'll be able to answer any of your questions. Thank you.